How to turn off background music in Asphalt 8. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to turn off the background music in Asphalt 8 game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch the Asphalt 8 on your device and wait for the main menu to load. From the main menu, go to the settings icon at the top right corner and tap on it. From the settings menu, select sound and display. Inside sound and display, go ahead and decrease the music option. Drag the slider towards the left to turn it off. You also have other options such as engine sound, SFX. Go ahead and adjust anything that you want. And then once you are done, you can head back to the game homepage. And that's how you turn off the music or the background music in Asphalt 8. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.